First, let me just share the video output with you. You can see it here.
Because he used to live in a brothel,
This is the
says the
output you will
shopkeeper.
get.
When she gets home,
Now let me share the process to get started. First, I request you to watch this video because this video is very vital for the next steps. First, let me go the hosting panel. You will understand if you watch this video, you will know what I am actually talking about. Then go to the VPS, go to the manage section and click on terminal. After opening the terminal, what you have to do is first copy this code, mkdirp videos. Copy and paste it over here. Then you need to run this code to install short video maker. This is what we need to install first. Also here you need to change your pixels API key. You have to put your free API key over here. Just go to the pixel site. After going to the pixel site, you can log in, and when you log in, you will see this page. If you click on your API key, you will find your API key. After that, you need to paste your API key over here. Then copy this, paste it over here. After that, you need to change your domain. For that, you have to run this code, sudo nano caddy file. After running this code, what you have to do is change this. If you watch this video, you know what I am actually talking about. So first, make sure you watch this video. Then after putting this, you must change this to your domain. This is my domain, by the way. Then you need to check sudo caddy validate config. If it says OK, then just reload it. Then again, check the port by running this code. After this, I will be sharing how this is done. So you can add a schedule trigger over here that automatically trigger every 24 hours or anytime you choose. Here I am actually using the random joke. You can choose any other as well. This link, if you copy, it will open the random joke section on Reddit. You don't have to worry about all this. I'm sharing this JSON file. This just maps the field and aggregate all the field one by one. And this is the most important code that I actually made. Because in most videos, you will find they are using MCP. I'm not using MCP because MCP sometimes hallucinate. That's why I use this code. You don't have to worry. I will share this JSON file with you. Then what you need to do is run and make sure everything is working properly. What I have put here is already correct. You don't have to change anything. Just import the JSON file and you will get everything that I am sharing over here. Right after that, when you run the execution and check the status, you will see the status over here. Then what you need to do is just one thing. You just need to change this, put your domain here, and that's all. You're set. You will find that your videos are created.
because he used to live in a brothel.
If you want, you can also auto upload to YouTube. Go to YouTube, then go to upload a video, complete your credentials, and you are good to go. It will automatically upload through automation. So don't even need to touch it. Okay, so that's it. Let me know if you have any doubts. And by the way, I will be sharing everything in my group. This is my group. I will share all the resources there. You will find everything over there. So don't worry about it. That's all. Thank you.